Yeah, Mr. Wadi with Marty, our blue and gold macaw. Mr. Governor with Shanti, our scarlet macaw. Okay, now, before we start our race, okay, can you help me to cheer and support for our rescue macaws for today? Sounds great. Okay, I'm going to divide you guys into two teams, okay? My right side team over here, you're gonna be a supporters for Smarty, okay? When I count to three, give your best shout, Smarty! How's that? Okay, the count to three, okay guys, come on, 1, 2, 3! Okay? Alright, not bad. Okay, cheers as far as you can, okay? My left side team is going to be a supporters for Shanti, okay? Even louder than ever. Yeah, ready? Come on, 1, 2, 3!
Shanti!
Yeah, very energetic. Thank you. Okay, but we don't know who's the winner. Okay, and Shanti or Smarty? Let's start the race now. Come on, trainers. 1, 2, 3, go! Come on!
Shanti! 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 Shanti!
Oh my goodness, come on! Careful, careful, right! Come on, right, right, yeah! Look at Shanti! There you go! Smarty won this race! I'm not sure what happened to Shanti, okay guys, okay, but nevertheless, we got a winner over here, okay? Why? Not because of Shanti. Looks like Mr. Gaston not starting for him this way. He said not fair. And I think you guys want more race. Hope you don't mind one more race.
Yeah!
Yeah. Okay, let's start now, Mr. Gaston. Not this one. Okay, maybe a different one. Okay, next we go. Next will be a different one. Okay. Please prepare your next one because okay. Different race. Gonna be fun first. Okay, now next race. Simple race. Okay, we call it ring race. Okay, together with me. Two sparkling yellow and one blue. Okay, each ball got 3 rings. So, and I'm gonna put it aside based on the color. Okay, the objective of the ring race here, where the birds need to drop the 3 color rings here into the pool over here, okay guys? So the fastest will be the winner. There you go. Different ways will be different rules as well. Okay, now, Mr. Wadi with Popeye and Mr. Gaston with Ringo. Okay, both of them are blue and gold macaws. Okay, one more cheers for them, okay, before we start. Okay, let's have my left side team first. This time for who? Ringo! Yes, come on, 1, 2, 3!
Ringo!
Alright. Okay, my right side team this time for who? Popeye! Right, come on, 1, 2, 3! Okay? Thank you guys. That's fine.